So that means if you cannot promote yourself, success is just not possible. As a student, you need to promote yourself so that you get into a better college. During interview, you need to promote yourself so that you get into that dream job. On job, you need to keep telling what you're worth. Otherwise, that next destination is just not possible. And in the participants, I think there are a few entrepreneurs also. So I think they know very well what I'm talking about. Without promotion, success is just impossible. Now let's look at the entire process. Right from childhood, for every demand that we've made, the only answer that soothes you, that makes you feel good, that makes you worthy is yes. For any demand, there are three answers possible. One is yes, no, or maybe. But the only word that I want to hear when I make that particular demand or when there is some desire in my mind, which I verbalize, the only word that I want to choose to listen to is yes. And what happens when we hear no? Suddenly we feel like a failure. Suddenly we feel hopeless. Suddenly we feel, no, I'm not going to approach this person again or any other person. Oh my God, this is not for me. I'm not meant for this. My luck is like this only. Life is bad. I'm never going to get anything in my life. So that word no is deciphered in so many ways. What is no? No is just a word in English language. So now when I'm talking to you in English, yes, no has a particular meaning. जर मी तुमच्याशी मराठीतून बोलले तर नोचा अर्थ काय होईल? నేను మీతో తెలుగులో మాట్లాడితే no అర్థం ఏమైతది? So that means no has a specific meaning in a one particular language. Give only that much importance to it. It's nothing more than that. So no is just a word, and in English, no means no. That's it. It doesn't mean anything else. It doesn't mean you're not worthy. It doesn't mean whatever you're proposing is not worth proposing. It doesn't mean you're not worthy of receiving anything in life. That's what we decipher. So the moment we are capable of dealing with this word, no, you are on your path to success. Do you all agree?